Hey everyone, welcome to the world of Mac. Whether you are transitioning from a different operating system or using a computer for the first time, this guide will help you get started with your new Mac. So, getting started with Mac OS, press the power button to turn on your Mac and follow the on-screen setup instructions to connect to Wi-Fi, sign in with the Apple ID, and set up preferences. Firstly, familiarize yourself with the Mac OS desktop, which includes the menu bar at the top, the dock at the bottom, and a desktop background in the middle. Firstly, let's navigate the interface. Finder. You can use Finder to browse files and folders. Click the Finder icon in the dock to open it. Now, the other one is Dock and the menu bar. The dock contains your most frequently used apps, and you can click an app icon to open it. And in menu bar located at the top of the screen, it includes system icons and the app menu and the control screen. After that, we will learn about using system preferences. Customize your Mac setting by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner and selecting System Settings. Here you can adjust setting for your display, keyboard, trackpad, and many more. So, in the system settings, you can see there is a left sidebar option available. Here you can find various options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, VPN. So this is just a basic settings option available in your Mac. Now the other one is Spotlight Search on macOS. Spotlight is a powerful search tool on macOS that helps you quickly find files, apps, and information on your Mac. So, accessing Spotlight is quite easy. Using the menu bar, click the magnifying glass icon in the upper right corner of the menu bar, or you can use a keyboard shortcut, press Command plus Spacebar to open Spotlight instantly. Now, the other one is App Store. You can download new apps from the Mac App Store. Open the App Store from the dock or simply go to the Launchpad and browse for apps. Whichever apps you want, you will see a list of apps you searched for and click Get or Buy to install them. You can also explore built-in apps like Safari for web browsing, Mail for email, Photos for managing pictures, and Calendar for scheduling events. Now, basically the best feature of Mac is Siri. Siri, Apple's virtual assistant, is integrated into macOS to help you perform tasks, find information, and control your Mac using voice commands. So, click on the Siri icon in the upper right corner of the menu bar. Also, if your Mac supports, then you can say Hey Siri to activate it hands-free. Then simply ask Siri questions like what's the weather today or how's the stock market doing. And also you can give commands such as open Safari, play some music, or set a reminder for 2 p.m. Also, you can tell them control system settings by saying turn on Wi-Fi, increase brightness, or open system preferences. You can simply command Siri for anything you want to do in Mac. So Siri on Mac enhances productivity by allowing you to interact with your computer using natural language, making it easy to perform tasks, get information, and control your devices hand-free. Now, the other one is customizing your Mac. Change your desktop background by right-clicking on the desktop and selecting the Change Wallpaper option available there. You can choose any of the wallpaper according to your preferences, or you can simply download it from the internet as well and save it to your Mac and upload it to your desktop wallpaper. Now, the other best feature of Mac is Help menu. Use the Help menu in any app to find detailed instructions and tips. Click Help in the menu bar and type a query. So, by following these steps, you'll be able to master your new Mac, enjoy exploring the features and capabilities of macOS. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.